Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, guys. Don't forget to tap and tap again the like, share, and subscribe button and that notification bell, guys, okay? Throwback Thursday, guys. Throwback Thursday. We got beans, we have rice, we have chicken stew, we got it's potatoes and carrots in there, and we have some sweet potatoes here. I mean, no, not sweet potato. This is pumpkin. Yes, you already know I got my hot sauce, my extra hot sauce for my beans and my meat. I got water today, guys. I had to take a little break from the seltzer. You know, have a balance. Big Bertha, right here. She's here. Not too heavy. I didn't put a lot of ice in it. But anyway, guys, when I feel a little good, I have some tea to spill my own tea. My own business, my own stuff that's going on in my life as we speak. Drama doesn't stop. I'm telling you, it's how you deal with it. Like I said before, don't give the power to anybody else to get you out of character. And that's just how I am. Some people say I'm cold-hearted. I'm not cold-hearted. I just don't let people take me out of character. Can't do that. Guys. I've been waiting for this all day. I'm hungry. Oh my goodness. It's torture. When she starts doing her sofrito in the kitchen and stir frying and stuff, the whole house fills up. Oh my God. Guys, take some. I'm not going to say take a bite. Just open up and get it. Oh my God. It's crazy. I put banana on here because, some Spanish people, we like to eat our food with a sweet banana or some avocado. I have avocado. I didn't include it because I make my smoothie with my avocado. Oh my God, this is so good. Oh, forgot to pour my water, guys. It's cold. Oh, Lord. Let's have some fun, guys. Oh, yes. Ooh, she gets heavy. Oh, my God. I know it's cold. Let's get this. Oh, my God. It's too hot, guys. See the steam coming out of it? Look how pretty, though. Oh, it tastes so good. Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness. You suck the meat right off the bone. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Ooh. Oh, look at this. Oh. Ooh-wee. Oh, my God. Ooh, that was hot. Oh, my God. Lord. She put olives in there and the beans. Oh, my God. Pumpkin. Potato. It's just so good. Oh, I had to stop, guys, because as I'm eating, I'm thinking about what's going on right now with me. You know, sometimes when we're going through stress, you know, some people eat, you know, when they're stressed, and some people just, you know, their appetite, you know, diminishes when they're stressed out, you know. And I'm that type that when I'm stressed or something's bothering me, I have to get it off my chest. I have to get it off my chest. So I'm going to get it off my chest with you guys. Okay? You know, I have a fiance. Well, not anymore. And you know, we've had a lot of issues throughout the years, you know, because I haven't been easy, you know. When somebody's on drugs or addicted to something, you know, it's not easy to deal with that person. They put you through things, you know. Then I'm Spanish, I'm a flirt, you know what I'm saying to you? But if a person trusts you and know that you're, you know, doing what you got to do to stay clean and, you know, to work on your goals on a daily basis, you know, that, you know, me, I'm talking about me. This is what I've been doing, working on my goals on a daily basis, you know, staying clean, you know, and reading my Bible, listening to gospel, praying, you know, keeping my mind positive. You know what I'm saying, guys? You know, and if that person, my significant other, was my significant other, right? Because I'm done with it today. You know, I let him know that I'm done with it today, because he keeps on, you know, accusing me of things and, you know, making assumptions and bringing the past up, and I don't think that's healthy. You know, he claims he's in therapy to work out his insecurities, you know. But I told him to fire his maid. I mean, not his maid. I'm watching Devious Maid, so I got that movie too in my head. I told him to fire her because her therapy isn't working. You know, it's been months already. You know what I mean? And he keeps doing the same thing. You know, and I have to keep changing things, and I have to keep, getting annoyed and you know, trying to take me out of my character. You know, and I don't let nobody take me out of my character, you know? When I'm focused on something. And guys, I'm so sorry that I'm telling you my business, but you guys are my grands. And I know you're going to put comments. I know you're going to comment on this, you know, if I did the right thing or the wrong thing, you know? And, you know, I'll take it for what it is. You know what I'm saying to you? It's just too stressful, you know, to keep bringing up my past. The past is the past. I'm working on today and the future and growing, you know, and doing better for myself, you know, and recovering everything that I've lost in my life. You know what I mean? And I cannot let anybody take me off that road. And that includes a person that I love. You know what I'm saying to you? Ultimately, I have to watch out for myself. You know, they say that being selfish is bad, but guess what? It's not. It's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing at all. But I'm so happy I got that off my chest. I'm so happy I got to discuss it with you. You know? Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh, it's so good. It falls right off the bone. Ah, yeah. Life goes on, guys. You know? You have to eliminate any obstacles that's in your way to achieve your goals. You know? And that's an advice I've given myself. You know? I gotta do what I gotta do. Oh, this here, this homemade food that my mother made, is the cure. It's the cure. But I needed to get it off my chest. You know, I really did. And I feel good. I feel good now. That's why I'm eating. You know? Mm. Oh, I need some more hot sauce. Ah, it's so good. Oh, Yes. Yes, baby. Mm-hmm. Guys, you have to try the banana with the food. Oh my god. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm. Mm-hmm. Look, my shirts don't make it. Mm-mm. They do not make it. Mm. You're so good. I'm putting it all on the plate because I'm trying to get the juice. I'm trying to get this sauce. Oh my god. I'll lick the plate. Excuse me. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Oh, it's so good. Mm-mm-mm. Kobe's walking around. He hasn't eaten today. I don't know what's wrong with him today. Mm-hmm. Mm. Wow. Mm. Oh. Mm. How you guys doing? Besides my drama that I've shared. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Because guess what? I'm doing amazing. I feel amazing and I look amazing. And I'm going to continue to be that way. And I'm going to continue to keep my mind positive. I'm going to continue to work on my goals. I'm going to continue on that vision and throwing goodness out into the universe. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, baby. You know, there's a bigger picture. There's a bigger picture, guys. Mm. Oh, my God. Wow. Mm. Wow. This is so good. Mm. That was a bone. Mm. Oh. I gotta move this napkin because I need it. Mm-hmm. Oh. Big Bertha. Help me out. Oh my God. Woo. Ooh. Oh man. Mm. I needed that. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, I needed that. Kobe, what's wrong, Papa? Go eat your chicken. And room for more. Hey, and room for more. Hey, and room for more. Ooh. And room for Oh my God. Oh, that was good. I made room for more, guys. Look, I still got some chicken left. I still got some beans left. Rice. Come on now. Very good. I dropped the napkin. mm. I don't know. Guys, this is so good. Mm. So good. Oh, the hot sauce was right on it. Oh, Kobe. He's been moping around today. I don't know what's wrong with him. Guys, I'm almost done. I am almost done. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, I needed that. Ooh. Good to the last drop, guys. Good to the last drop. And good to the... What's the matter, boo-boo? What's the matter? He sat right there. Come on, come here. Come here. Say hello. Say hello. Let me move Big Bird. See? It's gone. The chicken is gone, boo-boo. Anyway, guys. It's so cold. Woo. Oh my God. Woo. Because I put a lot of ice. And the water was cold already. Oh my God. I made a mess on my shirt. Guys, let's get closer. Oh, I feel so good right now. Guys, I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I want to thank you so much for watching me. Yes, for watching me to the end. If you did, I'm grateful and I'm thankful. Guys, and thank you for listening to my drama. You know? But it's always good to get things off your chest. You know what I'm saying to you? It's off my chest. I let you guys know, you know, what's going on. Don't let nobody get you out of character. I don't let nobody get me out of character. I don't give people that kind of power. You know? I'm determined to do what I gotta do, guys. And I want to thank you for your support. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you guys. All right. Don't forget to tap, tap, tap. Yes. And tap again the like, share, and subscribe button. And that notification bell. Okay. See you next time. Bye.